Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to open Telegram account. Go to your Google Play Store app for download Telegram app and search Telegram and click on install. It will turn around some time. Telegram downloading now. Now go to your phone display and click on Telegram and click on start messaging and click on allow option and select your country and put your phone number. I am putting my phone number. If you think that this is your correct number for open Telegram account, so click yes. A 6-digit code will be sent to your phone from Telegram and put the code and enjoy the moment. Thank you so much guys for watching the video and enjoy the Telegram, and if you like the video so please subscribe the channel and share with your friend.